Throughout this session today, I shall be brainwashing you with this mantra that you see on the screen. Time management is all about mind management, because it is your brain that decides how you're going to use every single second of every single minute of every single day. It is your brain that will decide whether or not you're going to procrastinate, and if so, for how long. Your brain is going to decide whether or not you are going to have a complete meltdown on a Thursday afternoon, and how long that meltdown will last. Your brain decides everything. And once you realize that time management is truly all about mind management, and yes, task apps are helpful, calendars are helpful, we all use them, or think we do. Timers are helpful, watches are helpful. But in the end, the most important tool for your time management is your brain. So today's session is going to be a lot about the thinking behind time management.